Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how I built this entire website evaluation workflow inside of n8n. I'll do a step-by-step breakdown so you can see exactly how each node works and how each part connects. I'll also show you the APIs I used, and at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get this entire template completely for free. So first, before breaking it down, let me quickly show you a demo. I'll click here to execute the workflow. Then I'll open Telegram. I'm going to paste this website URL called Presenti AI just for testing purposes and send it to Telegram. Once the execution is done, you can see it sends me the concise summary of the website, the business impact, and also the decision verdict. At the same time, it appends all of those details to my Google Sheet. Let me show you that. Here you can see the website concise summary, the key considerations, the business impact and opportunities, the benefits and strengths, the risks and weaknesses, and actionable insights. You also get the verdict, rationale, estimated effort hours, time to value in days, urgency, confidence level, and an alternative approach. Now let me break it down step by step so you can clearly see how this workflow works inside of n8n. First of all, I added a Telegram trigger node. If you click on the plus icon, search for Telegram and extend the triggers drop down and choose on message. That's the one I selected. Next, I added a code node. The role of this node is to extract the link from the text message that the user sends on Telegram. The process is the same. Click on the plus icon, search for code and add it. Then I added an if node. This node acts like a gatekeeper. It checks whether the URL actually exists in the message. If it exists, the workflow moves forward to the next step. But if no URL is found, the workflow automatically sends a message back on Telegram. After that, I added a sec node. This is a small but important step. It allows me to structure or organize certain pieces of data before moving on. And right after that, I added an HTTP request node. This is where we make a post request to Apify. Now, if you don't know what Apify is, it's basically the hub of scrapers. It provides ready-made scrapers for hundreds of use cases, and you can also build your own custom ones if needed. In this case, I am using it to scrape and extract the raw text from the given website. Setting this up is straightforward. You'll need your own credentials, which you can easily find by going to the Apify website, clicking on Settings, then API and Integrations, and copying your token. Once you have that, paste it into the API key field inside of n8n and you're all set. Now, after getting that raw text, I added another set node. The purpose of this one is to store the exact raw text output that comes from the HTTP request node. This makes sure that what we scraped is neatly captured and available for further processing without losing anything. Next, I added a basic LLM chain node. This is a very powerful step. What it does is clean up the website content. Sometimes when you scrape a site, the raw text will include things you don't really need, like navigation menus, sidebar links, or even buttons like sign up or contact. The process is the same. Click on the plus icon, search for LLM chain, and add it. Here's the system prompt I used. You can pause the video and take a screenshot if you'd like. Then I added an AI agent node. This is where things get interesting. This node retrieves company details or context about your business from a Google Sheet. Let me show you that Google Sheet. As you can see, it contains the company name, specialization, tools used, complementary tools, current focus, future goals, core values, industry, target market, and even key challenges. To use it yourself, you can just click on File in the Google Sheet and make a copy. And let me show you the business prompt I used. You can pause the video here and take a screenshot if you'd like to reference it later. Next, I added a Google Sheets node. This is where everything gets logged and stored. The node appends all the details into a dedicated sheet, so every single run is saved with all the outputs. And finally, I added a Telegram node. This one sends you the condensed version right inside Telegram itself. So instead of having to open the Google Sheet every single time, you can instantly see the highlights, the website's concise summary, the business impact, actionable insights, and decision verdict, all delivered straight to your Telegram bot. Now, like I promised, here's how you can get this workflow for free. In the description, you'll find a link to the workflow. Click on that and you'll be taken directly to n8n's website. Once you're there, just click Use for free. In the pop-up that appears, select Copy Template to Clipboard. Then go into your own n8n instance. Create a new workflow and simply paste it. After that, just set up your connections and credentials exactly as I showed earlier. Once everything is connected, the workflow is ready to run.